How to make money on YouTube without showing your face 20M. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Hey there friends, my name is Joshua. You are fortunate to have chosen this video to view. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his brilliant strategy plus his completely zero-cost training. Have you ever seen someone who has money without a partner? Today we are going to be exploring how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Yes, it is possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Here are 3 different channels that are doing this. Practical Psychology makes videos about psychology. They get 700,000 views per month. Philosophies for Life makes videos about ancient philosophers. They get nearly 1 million views per month, and Young Entrepreneurs Forum uploads videos about business ideas. They get over 400,000 views per month. The average view count of these 3 channels is 700,000 views per month. Given a $7 CPM from ad revenue, that is about $4,900 per month. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Psychology also sells courses, so they're probably making a lot more than that. So if you do this, which niche should you choose? We recommend anything related to health, wealth, relationships or happiness, and all 3 channels that I just shared with you are in sub-niches related to these topics. How are these channels making videos without showing their faces? They're finding video ideas, writing a script, doing a voiceover, and using a whiteboard animation software to generate these videos. How can you find video ideas? Simply go to some of the top channels within your niche that are already doing successfully what you want to do. Sort their videos by their most popular uploads, and then write these down for ideas. Then search your niche on YouTube and see what comes up. Then write these down for ideas, and finally, you can use a software like vidIQ to search your niche to see which keywords come up. Those that have a high amount of search volume and a low competition is what we are after. Finally, write down these ideas. You should have a list of at least 30 different video ideas. Awesome job! It is time to start making them. It really isn't that hard at all. Here is how to do it. The first step is to write the scripts. Simply open up Google Docs and another tab in Google, search your video idea, and open up some of the first articles and YouTube videos that come up. Go through each article and YouTube video, making notes of the main points to talk about. Then expand on these points, and make sure to write them in your own words. We recommend making your scripts at least 2,000 words long, to make sure that your finished video is at least 10 minutes long. But it's okay if some are shorter or longer. Please stay with us. Make sure to check all your scripts with a website called Copyscape, to make sure they are 100% unique, whether you write them yourself, or you pay someone else to do it. For you now, it's time to record your voiceover. No! You don't need a professional microphone to do this. You can simply use the voice recording app on your phone. Or you can use a better mic, like a Blue Yeti Nano, plugged into your computer. Then I recommend a free software called Audacity for recording your voiceover. It is okay if you make mistakes while you're recording. Simply repeat the line and then you can use Audacity to remove those mistakes. If you don't want to record the voiceover yourself, you can pay someone on either Upwork or Fiverr to do it for you for $10 to $15. The next step is to use the whiteboard animation software to make your videos. You can use VideoScribe to do this. You can import the file of your voiceover, and then drag and drop elements and text relating to what you are talking about. We recommend changing what is on the screen, at least every 6 to 10 seconds, to make sure you keep people's attention, so that your video performs well. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Also make sure any music that you use is very quiet in the background of your video, so it does not interrupt what you're talking about, so you can hear your voice clearly. If you do not want to put together the whiteboard animations yourself, you can pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do this for you. You could pay anywhere from $25 to $40 for someone to do this. Your video is done now. Awesome job! Now before we upload your video, we need to make sure that you have what is called a custom thumbnail, to make sure that people actually click to watch your video. You can use an online website called Snappa to make your thumbnail. We recommend seeing what has worked in other niches, and then modeling their thumbnails. Do not copy them directly, but model the main elements of what has worked in your niche. If you use text in your thumbnails, make sure to make it very big and very easy to read when they are resized to thumbnail size. We recommend having a main primary element that stands out in your thumbnail. Whether that is the text or whether that is a person in the thumbnail, whether that is an animated character, at the very most, you can have up to 3 primary elements in your thumbnail. If you have too much, people might not click to watch your videos as much. Bright colors and high contrast are good as well, and you can also make use of arrows and circles to draw in people's attention. Now your video is ready to be uploaded. Simply upload your video and your custom thumbnail to YouTube, and then fill out the rest of the info for your title. We recommend seeing what other top videos within your niche have entitled their videos, and modeling them. If you can include a keyword from somewhere like vidIQ within your title, that's all the better. But don't worry if you cannot. Your main focus should be on making sure that your title is clickable, and it is something people would actually search for. For your description, we recommend writing a paragraph or 2, summarizing your video and making sure to include some keywords that are written in a natural way into the description. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. You can use the Chrome extension called Social Blade to see what other keywords people are using within their tags. Then you can include some of those within your videos as well, but only include ones that are actually related to your video. vidIQ can also really help with this as well, by finding high search volume, low competition tags to include within your video tags. Once you've done that, you can simply hit publish, and your video is up now. Do not worry if your video gets no views within the first couple of days. Then under that, you can put some links to other videos on your channel, as well as a short description of your actual channel in your description. You can see my description below for an example of this. Then fill out your tags, putting keywords related to your video. People dripping with money always have a partner. You might be asking Matt, should I be promoting my videos at all? Matt's answer to that is that the number one promotion that will get you the most amount of traffic, and will compound on itself increasing exponentially, is letting YouTube promote your videos for you. You can do this by optimizing your videos, making sure you're modeling what has already worked. Make sure that your videos are at least as good quality as the other videos within your niche. Upload 33 videos, analyze and optimize the next batch that you upload. If you do already have other social media platforms like a Facebook page or an Instagram account, you can feel free to promote on those platforms. As long as they're in the same niche as your channel and your video, of course. This way you have the right audience, and YouTube knows who to promote your videos to. Most of Matt's channels have over 100,000 subscribers. He does not have a Facebook page or an Instagram account. The only promotion that those videos get is from YouTube itself. So just continually uploading good content, focusing on what we can actually control, which is continually putting up good videos on our channel. Don't promote to your friends and family unless they're actually interested in the niche of your channel. You might be asking Matt, how am I going to actually make money doing this? You will make money once you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. You might be saying, Matt, won't that take forever to reach those milestones? Know that it can actually happen a lot faster than you probably think. But you need to make sure that you're optimizing your channel correctly. Matt will show how to do that in his free training. The link is at the top of the description below. You can join what's called the YouTube Partner Program, in which YouTube will put ads on your videos, and then you will get a cut of that ad revenue. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. If your videos are at least 8 minutes long, then you can place multiple ad breaks throughout your video to multiply the amount of money that you make. Matt recommends putting ads at least every couple minutes throughout your video to multiply the amount of money that you make. He recommends signing up for any affiliate programs relating to your niche, and then putting these affiliate links within your description. He recommends checking Digistore24 and ClickBank for products to promote. You can make much more doing this than from just ad revenue. Also, you can make your own online course, like that channel Practical Psychology did. It might sound intimidating to make an entire online course, but a course can literally just be a collection of your whiteboard videos teaching a certain topic. You still don't even need to show your face. Have you ever seen someone who has money without a partner? Now you might be saying, Matt, I've got some videos made, but how often should I be uploading on my channel? Matt recommends choosing a regular schedule. If you can do 1 video a day, that's the best. That's amazing. But if you can't do that, then do 3 videos a week. If you can't do that, then do 1 video per week. It's possible to grow your channel with any of these schedules. We hope that we have wet your whistle a little. So check out the link at the top of the description below to see how to make money on YouTube without making videos, tech channels. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, who isn't broke at that age, to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. At the date of this video, Matt is age 23. So check out the link at the top of the description below to see what we can do to help you with how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. People with money always have a partner. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.